say that. Don't you do it. 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 And it's got me soaked. No, 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 no. Thank God for them trail cars, dude. Yes, sir. That is a good fish. Nice female, nice and fat. Big as my foot. Nice fish. Thank you, God. Oh, my net floats. All right, Holmes, bite me, I'll bite you. Might be a drum, and I catch the drum. Oh, it's smallmouth. That's a big one. Don't do it. 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 What are you doing here? All right, come on, you gotta be getting tired by now. Come on. Yes, sir. Oh, spot one, got a spot on it. Good fish. Good fish. Didn't want to jump. 5-pounder. All right. He's not that big. Gold. Fat. Red eye. I hope I'm recording. This is big. I don't think you realize he's hooked yet. That's the biggest one of the day, by far. No. This is huge. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude. This fish is so big, it's unbelievable. That fish is 7 pounds easy. Behold. Big nasty. Oh my gosh. Biggest one of the year. Goodbye, big nasty. Go spawn. You're probably female anyway. Go on. Do your thing. Fish on. Big jump. Hope I'm recording. Don't you dare. I knew you were a fighter. Don't you dare. Is the one with him? I couldn't tell. No. Yes, sir. There you go, Holmes. You're a beautiful fish. Best looking fish of the year. Hopefully I got it. Best looking fish of the year. Nice camo. There you go. I mean, I've lost 3. And I got one. Make that 4. He's a small fry too. He smoked it too. I gotta lose 4 to catch 1. Small one. Gosh. And look what he did to my flipping rig. He's a little dark one too. Look what you did to my rig, Holmes. Well, I know where they're at if I didn't just spook them right here. Small one on the new GoPro after losing 4 or 3. Fish on. It could be a drum. Nope, not a drum. I hope that was recording because that was a hell of a jump. I don't think he's hooked very well. Gosh, that's a big one. I mean, that's a big one too. Good one. Good one. Just a good one. Just a nice one. Just a nice 5-pounder. Do you think, Holmes? Hoo-wee! God bless. This is a big one too. No, 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 no. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Hopefully you can see that GoPro. Go on, Holmes. You gonna live? You should live. You're good. There you go. Big one. I mean, big one. Digging. Digging. Oh no. Won't even fit in the net. Smallmouth. Yeah, that first jump.
That's what I come for.
Yeah, that's gosh, that's got to be pushing 8.
Huh?
That's got to be pushing 8. I mean, got to be pushing 8. I wish I had scales. Good Lord.
I don't have none either. I got a board. Did you say you want a board?
No, it's not even, but even look at the width of it. That's the thing.
Oh, God, that sucker is thick.
They're pigs here, dude. I mean, they're just nasty.
You live up here? Okay.
Gosh, dude, that's got to be pushing 8 pounds.
That's pretty.
That's got to be 8 pounds. It's hurting my arm just holding it up.
That's nice of you.
All right, we'll release it. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, I should say. That's a fish. Oh my gosh, dude. They're just not taking it. If this one comes off, I'm switching hooks. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, dude. Fish on. I don't know what it is. Might be a drum. Nope. Oh, and he threw me. He threw me. Hair jig, huh? Oh, and he came off. Son of a gun. Good job. Good job, Holmes. Hair jig is the deal. Oh, I can't believe it came off. That's a fish. Good Lord. I don't think I have him. I don't think this fish is gonna stay on. Yep, it didn't. I knew it wouldn't. Dang. I don't think it's a bass. It is. I set the hook that time, for sure.